Here's a simple strategy to create your signature coaching program. It's important to have a signature coaching program because it's what your practice becomes known for, and it helps to highlight you as a brand and an expert. Now, before you even move into creating your signature coaching program, you got to know your ideal clients. What is your niche? Who is it that you want to work with, and why? 1. Determine what it is that you want to support your ideal clients with. As you consider what you want to support them with, you want to think about where they are and where you want to take them and how you're going to help them bridge the gap. So this may look like working with postpartum moms who want to lose the last 10 pounds. You know they're 10 pounds overweight and you want to help them to getting 10 pounds slimmer. After you've identified this, the next step is to figure out how you can break that process into small bite-sized chunks. The last thing you want to do is overwhelm your ideal clients with some monumental goal that feels out of their reach. Instead, breaking it into bite-sized chunks makes it doable and seamless. After you've broken it into bite-sized chunks, you want to come up with a name that expresses what it is that they're going to get through your program exactly. After you've named it, you just get to market it, meaning share it with the world, talk about it, post about it, make videos about it, express why it matters. When you become the best at marketing your offer, you can't help but magnetize your dream clients right to it. So go ahead and get started today.